everybody. I am studying in 7th standard. My school name is SMP English Medium School. Today I am explaining about vacuum cleaner. Cleanliness is very important in our life, so we need to show our house and surroundings are clean with rubbish and dust particles. People have used a vacuum cleaner to clean rubbish and dust particles, cat allergy, moist, dirt and more solid particles. Vacuum cleaner makes our cleaning job becomes much more easier. Vacuum cleaner works because of Bernoulli's principle. Uses parts, motor, fan, filter bag, dirt, plus particles. POA. When a fan rotates, it makes air to flow by adding its external energy. Air from the section side is sucked into the unit. Along with the air, all airborne particles, cat allergy, moist, dirt, and small solid particles. All air is sucked into the filter and dirt. Free air is pushed out from the discharge. Thank you.